Have you ever experienced something inexplicable or surreal that defied all logical explanations? Welcome to the world of spiritual gifts, where the ordinary transcends into the extraordinary, and the ordinary becomes mystical. In this video, we delve into the strange and fascinating experiences that only those with spiritual gifts are said to encounter. The human experience is filled with mysteries that defy conventional understanding. For some, these mysteries take on a deeper, more spiritual significance. They possess what many refer to as spiritual gifts, abilities that extend beyond the physical realm and tap into the energies and forces that shape our existence. Intuition, the sixth sense. Have you ever had a gut feeling that guided you in a particular direction, even when logic pointed elsewhere? That's intuition at work, a powerful gift that allows individuals to tap into deeper insights beyond the realm of reason. Explore real-life stories of individuals who followed their intuition and experienced miraculous outcomes, from avoiding danger to finding love and purpose in unexpected places. Clairvoyance, seeing beyond the veil. Clairvoyance, the ability to see beyond the physical world, is a gift shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Those who possess this gift claim to see visions, symbols, and even glimpses of the future. Dive into the experiences of clairvoyance as they recount encounters with spirits, visions of events yet to unfold, and the profound impact their gift has had on their lives and the lives of others. Empathy, connecting with the soul. Empathy is more than just understanding. It's the ability to feel what others feel on a profound level. Individuals with this gift are said to be highly sensitive to the emotions and energies of those around them. Hear stories of empaths navigating the complexities of human emotions, from experiencing the joy of others' triumphs to shouldering the weight of their sorrows, and learn how this gift fosters compassion and healing in a world filled with pain and suffering. Telepathy, the silent language of the mind. Telepathy, the ability to communicate thoughts and feelings without words, challenges our understanding of human connection. Those with this gift claim to share intimate bonds with others through the unspoken language of the mind. Explore the experiences of telepaths as they describe moments of profound connection, synchronicity, and understanding that transcend the limitations of verbal communication. In a world bound by the constraints of the material, spiritual gifts offer a glimpse into the infinite possibilities of existence. From intuition to clairvoyance, empathy to telepathy, these strange and wondrous experiences remind us that there is more to life than what meets the eye. Whether you believe in the supernatural or remain skeptical, one thing is certain: the mysteries of the human spirit continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who dare to explore them. Until we meet again, may you continue to seek wonder, find beauty in the unexpected, and embrace the magic that surrounds us all. Stay curious, stay inspired, and may your journey be filled with endless possibilities.